2025 aspirants. So I know we have very few days left for your KCET examination, and I hope all of you are preparing really well, working very hard, putting all your efforts to get the top 1000 rank. But students, listen, this top 1000 rank is not something that you can get easily. You need to have a proper strategy, a proper study plan, and you should be knowing some smart study tips so that you can achieve this goal easily in this short last 20 days span also, right? So in this video I'm going to discuss a detailed strategy, what all things you should be following, how to study the chapters, how to solve previous year questions, how many mock tests you need to write, how to attempt the mock test, everything I'll be telling you in detail. So please watch this complete video so that you can get top 1000 rank in KCET 2025. Okay, so let's get started here. So first I'll be telling you what all things we have in our today's plan, right? So let me now tell you what all things we are going to discuss in our today's video. Okay, so the first thing is how much we need to score to get top 1000 rank. So before making any decision, you should know, or before starting your preparation, you should know how much exactly you have to score to get top 1000 rank, to get into the best colleges of Karnataka, right? So I'll be telling you how you can find that. Second, I'll tell you most important topics that you should be focusing on. Third, correct way to solve previous year questions. Next, how to deal with PU1 syllabus. Many of us have this doubt, have this fear that ma'am, we have not done anything in PU1, we have completely forgotten the PU1 syllabus. How can we tackle that? So I'll be telling you a very smart strategy how you can complete the PU1 syllabus as well. Next, I'll be talking about mock test, right? Mock test is something which every one of us fear. We are very lazy to attend mock test, but I'll be telling you how you can attempt the mock test, how many mock tests you should attempt, when you should attempt, everything about mock test. And last, how you should be revising, what are the ways to revise, the best methods, best time, everything about revision I'll be discussing. Okay, so these are all the things that we are going to cover in today's video. So let us go to the first thing, how much do we need to score to get top 1000 rank. So all of you know our target is top 1000 rank, so we have to score. So here is a board that you can take a screenshot of this or write down, or just keep it in mind that how much you need to score. If you are aiming, or if you are thinking that you can get 295 plus in your board examination, then around 125 plus in KCET will help you to get top 1000 rank. Now if your performance is little bad and you are thinking of 290 plus, then here 130 plus, 285 plus, 135 plus, 280 plus, 140 plus, and if it is less than that, you increase decrease 5 by here, increase 5 by here, right? So that's how you can see which category you can fall. But here I want to tell you something. At this point of time, please do not think about this. All of you, whatever is your board mark, must target 150 plus. Okay, this is very important. You can target easily, and if you prepare from now with a proper strategy, you can easily get this 150 plus out of 180. So if you're targeting this one, so then only you will be working really hard. So please do not get that, okay, I am 295 plus, I can easily get 125 plus and I can relax. Don't think like that. All of you should target at this point of time 150 plus. Okay, now coming to, so now this 150 plus should come together, right? So you analyze which is your strongest subject. So for example, chemistry is there, physics is there, and maths is there, right? So suppose you are very strong in chemistry, okay, suppose for example, then target at least 55 plus or 55 in chemistry. If you are little bit okay in physics, or you can moderate in physics, you can still target 50 here, right? So here we are getting almost 105, right? Now here we can target somewhere around 40 plus here to get a roughly around to near 150 plus to target you can reach here, or here you can make it like 57, somewhere this one 53. So like this, have a thought that which subject can give me more marks, where I can score more marks, where I need to put more attention, so that in together I can get 150 plus. Okay, now after this high weightage topic, so it is very important that you first focus on the high weightage topics, first cover all the high weightage topics, then go for the low weightage topics. So how will you know which are your high weightage topics? So this is the list. So in physics, these 5 chapters are your high weightage topics where you can easily expect 3 to 4 questions. Then these are the moderate weightage questions where you can expect 2 questions, and these are the chapters where you can expect 1 question. Similarly, in chemistry, these all are the chapters where you can expect 4 to 5 questions, and these are the chapters where you can expect 3 questions. Okay, so please be very thorough with the chapters, especially for PU2. Next, for maths, similarly, these are the questions where you can expect 3 to 4 questions. These are the chapters 2 questions, and this is the chapter where you can expect 1 question. Okay, so try to finish the chapters in these orders. Okay, now coming to biology, so these are your high weightage topics. You can see sexual reproduction, molecular basis, principles of inheritance, organisms and population, human health and disease, and human reproduction. Okay, so here also you can easily expect 2 to 3 questions. Then we have some medium weightage topics, that is, the list is given here, you can see, and these are the topics where you can expect 2 questions. Okay, and then we have some low weightage topics as well where you can expect 0 to 1 question. Okay, so in this weightage wise you have to finish the chapters. Now coming to how to solve previous year questions. This is very important. Previous year questions will help you to analyze the difficulty level of the exam and the type of questions that is being asked from a particular chapter. Now, for example, if I analyze the solutions chapter from chemistry, last 10 years of previous year questions, I can come to a conclusion that from solutions chapter, colligative properties are the one where questions have been repeatedly asked. So I will focus on that particular part of the solutions chapter, right? So that is important. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to select a chapter. Already I have given you the list of the chapters, so select any high weightage topic. Solve last 10 years of previous year questions. How to solve it? Practice in a fixed time. So just see how many questions are there, add 10 minutes and take. So for example, you have 30 questions, then you should solve it in 40 minutes. Okay, so set a timer and solve these questions. Okay, after that, analyze the wrong questions and note it in your error notebook. So all of you must be having one error notebook. In this error notebook, every chapter, previous year question or mock test, whichever you attempt, and whenever you do any question get wrong, you have to note down this question in this particular notebook. Okay, so this will be very helpful during your revision. So this is something you must do. Okay, and while solving the questions, there is no use of calculator. Please remember, because in KCET examination, calculator is not allowed. So please do not use calculator. Without calculator, you have to solve all the questions. Okay, and this time limit will help you or will give you an exam idea. How can you solve these many questions in this time limit? You will improve the calculation, your accuracy will improve, right? So first of all, we have to take the high weightage topics. We have to complete their previous year questions, last 10 years of questions. After that, what are the sources of previous year questions? So the best book I can find in the market is Disha publication. Very well organized, year wise questions have been given, chapter wise questions have been given, small thin book is there. So that will also, you won't feel that okay, thick book is there. Like if you see MTG books, these are very thick, right? So once you see that, you feel demotivated. But if you see Disha publication, very small thin books, previous year questions are there, solutions are there, answer key is given. So that is somewhat I can recommend at this point of time. And if there is another publication here also, you can take from here this book, IBA. They have also having previous year question papers with answers for last 13 years. The recent edition, you should take it. Okay. After that, coming to next thing, that how to deal with PU1 syllabus. I know I have been teaching KCET for a long period of time, and many students have this question, have this doubt at this point of time that ma'am, we have completely forgotten PU1 syllabus, how to deal with it. So students, please remember, for PU1 you will hardly get 18 to 20 questions. Okay, even less than that is possible, but this is the maximum I have taken. So you have to follow. Don't panic about completing the PU1 syllabus. If you have completed PU2 syllabus in a proper way, then PU1 syllabus, if you miss 1 or 2 chapters, then also it is fine. Okay, so please do not panic about PU1 chapters. Next, complete the high weightage topics first. In PU1, whichever topics are high weightage, first complete them, then go for the low weightage topics. And how to do that? First of all, you have to select the high weightage topic, revise the concept by watching the one shot. So in our channel, we are providing you one shot of all the chapters. So make short notes, watch that, make short notes of these PU1 topics. Once this is done, you have to prepare the short notes, then do at least last 10 years of PYQs. This will help you. Nothing more than this you have to do for PU1 chapters. Okay. After this, we'll come to the weightage. So you can see here physics, all the chapters are almost 1 marks. You can see system of particles and rotational motion is a chapter where you can get 2 questions. Okay, and this is your chemistry here. Okay, so you can see I have chemical bonding, equilibrium, redox reaction and hydrocarbons, which are the high weightage topics where I can expect more questions. So once you are done with PU2, when you start PU1, try to do these topics first. Similarly, if you see in mathematics, you have relation and function, sequence and series, limits and derivatives, and as per your maths teacher, I came to know that if you are thorough with PU2 chapters, you can easily do PU1 chapters, right? For example, relation and function you study in 12th also. So you can do from here also. If you have studied probability, 2 is there. Probability 1 you can solve, right? Similarly, limits and derivatives you are solving in PU2, you can solve in PU1 as well. So many chapters are overlapping. Whichever chapters are not overlapping, you can do those chapters first. Okay. Now after this, we have here bio. So bio, we have 2 chapters in very high weightage topic. So first complete these 2 chapters. Then moderate weightage topic, we have these list of chapters. So these all chapters you can do moderate weightage. And then in low weightage we have these topics. So these are very low topics. Somewhere you like some years these chapters questions are not even asked. So you can skip these topics if you don't get time. Okay. Now coming to mock test. Okay, so mock tests are very important, and I personally know many students who are afraid of appearing mock test. They think that if I write mock test and if I get low marks, I will be demotivated, right? But that is a very wrong approach. What you should do is when you attempt the mock test, you realize what all mistakes are done and you work on those mistakes, you improve on that so that you don't repeat those mistakes in your exam. And one more thing that mock test help us to learn is time management. In exam, time management is very important, right? So please manage your time and write your mock test. What are the rules that you have to follow? You have to write at least 3 to 5 mock tests. At least. More than that is very good. In exam condition, each paper has 80 minutes. So you should sit silently in a proper place, set a timer for 80 minutes and solve one paper. Okay. In between that, no washroom, no eating, no moving, nothing. Okay, and use OMR sheet if possible. Okay, so that you can know exactly how much time you need to bubble the answers, so that time management also you can learn. Then this is very important, analyze the mock test. How to analyze I will tell you, and whichever questions get wrong, you have to note down it in your error notebook and revise those questions. So your error notebook should have chapter wise previous year questions that were difficult, that you were not able to solve, as well as the wrong questions from the mock test. Okay. Now if I see here, one second, sorry. Yes, how to analyze your mock test. Once you have written the mock test, you should have a report card. Okay, you should prepare your own report card where you should write the question number, whether you got wrong or correct. If you are getting those questions wrong, then write down that question was from which chapter, what topic the question was, and why did you get wrong, whether it was a calculation error, or you didn't know that concept, or it was a new concept that you didn't study, or it was a silly mistake, right? So variety of, or you got confused with the question, whatever is the reason, you have to write down. And whichever is your wrong question, that should be written with answers in your error notebook. Okay, this will help you to improve. If you don't analyze your mock test and just keep on appearing on test, then you will definitely feel demotivated. But if you work, if you attempt a test, if you analyze that, you work on the weak areas and then go for the next mock test, you will definitely see an improvement and it will help you to boost your confidence. Okay, now coming to mock test. What are the sources? So we have a book here, MTG is having, that is mock test, 10 mock tests are here, you can take this, or Our channel is having Abhyas KCET 2025 test series, the best test series in the market, where you will be getting so many benefits. So I will be showing you that. So you'll be getting 35 mock tests for full syllabus from physics, chemistry, maths and bio, detailed video solutions, live doubt clarification, and also chapter wise one shot revision videos. Okay, and these all things are available just at rupees 1498, not 1499, 1498. So very affordable, and the best part is if you take our test series and you get below top 1000 rank, then we will be offering you a cash prize up to rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, now I have given you a plan for test series also, so that you are not very much confused when to write, how to write. So after completing your syllabus from 5th of April, you can start 5th one physics chemistry, 7th maths and bio, 9th physics chemistry, 10th maths and bio, 11th physics chemistry, 12th maths and bio, 13th and 14th. On these dates you can just write down. So at least 4 mock tests you have written from each subject, and that is more than enough. Okay, fine. Now coming to revision, how to do proper revision. So when you are preparing at this point of time, please revise through your short notes. Don't take out the books, revise from your short notes. And how to revise? Use active recall method. Okay, just for example, solutions chapter, what all formulas are there, right, what all concepts are there, just try to recall. That's the best way of revising. Next is, during the last 10-15 days of the exam, revise the 80% of the syllabus. Means your PU2 syllabus you should revise at least 4 to 5 times in 10 days. Okay, so like I can say from 5th of April to 15th of April, you should be revising your PU2 syllabus at least 4 to 5 times. Okay, yes. Next, Diksha Karnataka, you know our channel. How will our channel help you in your preparation? So we are having, or we have relaunched our KCET Master Stroke series, where we are giving you one shot for all the chapters. So you can watch that, prepare your short notes and directly go for previous year questions. And apart from that, we are also giving you top 30 MCQs, right? These MCQs are from your PYQs, okay, and they are most expected questions. Right, so if you solve these 30 questions, different types of questions have been taken, so definitely you can boost your preparation. Okay, so this was the schedule. You can find this in our WhatsApp channel. So link of the WhatsApp channel is there in the description section, so please go there. You can find the detailed schedule for our YouTube batch. Yes, so that's all students. And if you follow this strategy, so there are 3 things: syllabus, previous year questions, mock test, syllabus, previous year question, mock test, syllabus, previous year question, mock test. If you do these 3 things, then definitely your rank will be below top 1000. So please trust me and start your preparation with full efficiency, with 100% of your efforts. And if you have any doubt, please put down in the comment section, and please put a comment hashtag top 1000 rank if you want to get the top 1000 rank. Show me that motivation, show me the dedication that you are in this journey. You will put 100% effort to get top 1000 rank. You will not even waste a single day, a single minute till 14th, till your 16th of April, till your exam date. Every day you will work hard, right? Your dream should be top 1000 rank. So please put down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next session.